Bismillahir-Rahman-Rahim. And when a messenger from Allah came to them confirming that which was with them, a party of those who had been given the scripture through the scripture of Allah, the Torah, behind their backs as if they did not know what it contained. And they followed instead what the devils had recited during the reign of Solomon. It was not Solomon who disbelieved, but the devils disbelieved, teaching people magic and that which was revealed to the two angels at Babylon, Harut and Marut. But they, the two angels, do not teach anyone unless they say, "We are a trial," so do not disbelieve by practicing magic. And yet, they learn from them that by which they cause separation between a man and his wife. But they do not harm anyone through it except by permission of Allah. And they, people, learn what harms them and does not benefit them. But they, the children of Israel, certainly knew that whoever purchased it magic would not have in the hereafter any share. And wretched is that for which they sold themselves, if they only knew. And if they had believed and feared Allah, then the reward from Allah would have been far better, if they only knew. O you who have believed, say not, to Allah's Messenger, Ra'yena, but say, Anzurna, and listen. And for the disbelievers is a painful punishment. Neither those who disbelieve from the people of the Scripture, the Jews and Christians, nor the polytheists wish that any good should be sent down to you from your Lord. But Allah selects for His mercy whom He wills, and Allah is the possessor of great bounty. We do not abrogate a verse or cause it to be forgotten except that we bring forth one better than it or similar to it. Do you not know that Allah is over all things competent? Do you not know that to Allah belongs the dominion of the heavens and the earth, and that you have not besides Allah any protector or any helper? Or do you intend to ask your messenger as Moses was asked before? And whoever exchanges faith for disbelief has certainly strayed from the soundness of the way. Many of the people of the Scripture wish they could turn you back to disbelief after you have believed, out of envy from themselves, even after the truth has become clear to them. So pardon and overlook until Allah delivers His command. Indeed, Allah is over all things competent. And establish prayer and give zakah, and whatever good you put forward for yourselves, you will find it with Allah. Indeed Allah, of what you do, is seeing. And they say, none will enter paradise except one who is a Jew or a Christian. That is merely their wishful thinking. Say, produce your proof, if you should be truthful. Yes, on the contrary, whoever submits his face self in Islam to Allah while being a doer of good will have his reward with his Lord. And no fear will there be concerning them, nor will they grieve. The Jews say, the Christians have nothing true to stand on, and the Christians say, the Jews have nothing to stand on, although they both recite the Scripture. Thus do those who know not, the polytheists, speak the same as their words. But Allah will judge between them on the day of resurrection concerning that over which they used to differ. And who are more unjust than those who prevent the name of Allah from being mentioned, praised, in His mosques and strive toward their destruction. It is not for them to enter them except in fear. For them in this world is disgrace, and they will have in the hereafter a great punishment. And to Allah belongs the east and the west. So wherever you might turn, there is the face of Allah. Indeed, Allah is all-encompassing and knowing. They say, Allah has taken a son. Exalted is He. Rather, to Him belongs whatever is in the heavens and the earth. All are devoutly obedient to Him, originator of the heavens and the earth. When He decrees a matter, He only says to it, be, and it is. Those who do not know say, why does Allah not speak to us or there come to us a sign? Thus spoke those before them like their words. Their hearts resemble each other. We have shown clearly the signs to a people who are certain in faith. Indeed, we have sent you, O Muhammad, with the truth as a bringer of good tidings and a warner, and you will not be asked about the companions of hellfire. And never will the Jews and the Christians approve of you until you follow their religion. Say, indeed, the guidance of Allah is the only guidance. If you were to follow their desires after what has come to you of knowledge, you would have against Allah no protector or helper. Those to whom we have given the book recite it with its true recital. They are the ones who believe in it. And whoever disbelieves in it, it is they who are the losers. O children of Israel, remember my favor which I have bestowed upon you and that I preferred you over the worlds. And fear a day when no soul will suffice for another soul at all, and no compensation will be accepted from it, nor will any intercession benefit it, nor will they be aided. And mention, O Muhammad, when Abraham was tried by his Lord with words, commands, and he fulfilled them. Allah said, Indeed, I will make you a leader for the people. Abraham said, And of my descendants? Allah said, My covenant does not include the wrongdoers. And mention, when we made the house, the Kaaba, a place of return for the people and a place of security. And take, O believers, from the standing place of Abraham a place of prayer. And we charged Abraham and Ishmael, saying, Purify my house for those who perform off and those who are staying there, for worship and those who bow and prostrate in prayer.